Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best wine leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first I'm going to start with our targeting. I'm going to select small business, and we are going to oh my goodness, Fresno County today in California, big wine hub. And we are going to search wine. And what you get with our Coldlytics 2.0, we get the sanity check, so you get to see the companies that would appear in your lead sheets. These look good. We got things like wineries and cellars. So I'm just going to add that term. Next, we are looking for owners and founders. I'm also selecting directors and executives in case the owner has a C-suite title. It'll cover for that case. So next, and today, I'm gonna come at finding these leads like I'm a digital marketing agency trying to sell my service to a winery. So with that being said, I'm gonna start with the firmographics and I'm gonna go to my Google reviews, ignore the count, and I'm gonna set the score between a 3 and a 5. And setting the score between a 3 and a 5, you're basically just selecting companies that have a great relationship with their clients and customers, and those are the companies that you're going to want to work with because if they have lower than a 3, you know their customers probably don't think very highly of them, and they probably won't think very highly of you if you work with them. So the benefit of limiting the review score to between a 3 and a 5 is you're just working with better companies at the end of the day. So I'm going to hit next to lock that in. We are also going to search by SEO or filter by SEO, Google Maps search position here. So I'm going to set this between a 6 and a 15. And essentially, what I'm doing is I'm just excluding the top 5 as they're usually like the industry leaders and they're just a lot harder to work with. And if you do end up working with them, they tend to be like a bit more fussier too, as if you do something they don't agree with, or you pitch an idea and they don't want to go with that idea, they can just go with another company as they have that market share. So I'm gonna hit next to lock this in. Between 6 and 15 upcoming companies, these are the companies that are easier to work with and that you'll want to be reaching out to. Finally, I'm gonna add some ad pixel filters. So we want to select advertisers on Facebook, advertisers on Google, and advertisers on LinkedIn. But my apologies, I should have been saying or. So advertisers on Facebook or on Google or on LinkedIn. And we just want to make sure all of these appear. And we're going to hit next. And finally, we're going to go on to our delivery step. We are going to select all of these, but we really want to look at the marketing related field. So all the Google metrics, social media metrics you want, revenue, headcount, and data established are good for taking your good 100 leads down to a great, like a great 20 leads. And then we want the ad pixels just so we can see what they have metrics wise. Google Analytics is great. And we're going to add these technology filters as well. They're pretty useful again for determining, which leads you really want to reach out to and like which leads will have the most intent beforehand. So I'm going to hit next to lock that in. I'm going to finish. I'm going to save this as a draft and I'm going to go back into it. And the reason why I save it as a draft, in case I start the task and I want to change something, I'm not starting from scratch. So that's the benefit of saving as a draft. Make sure to give it a title and set your context required. I'm going to go ahead and launch this. And as you can see, Wine in Fresno, it's allocating, which just means our team will have your lead sheet within 24 hours. So yeah, with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day. And this is how you find the best wine companies using Coldlytics. I'll catch you in the next one.